Hey there, science fans. Have you ever combined ingredients while baking a cake? Or stirred sand and water at the beach? If so, you've created a mixture. A mixture is simply what you get when you combine two or more different things. Think about a bowl of cereal. You've got your crunchy cereal and your creamy milk. They're together in the bowl, but they keep their own properties. You can still see the cereal and the milk separately. Mixtures are everywhere. The air we breathe is a mixture of gases. Our favorite snacks are often mixtures of different ingredients. In the next section, we'll dive into a special kind of mixture called a solution. Get ready for some fascinating science. Now let's talk about solutions. A solution is a special type of mixture where everything is evenly spread out. Imagine adding a spoonful of sugar to your glass of lemonade and stirring it until the sugar disappears. That's a solution. In a solution, one substance dissolves into another. The substance that dissolves is called the solute, like the sugar in our lemonade. The substance that does the dissolving is called the solvent, like the lemonade itself. When something dissolves, it doesn't just disappear. Instead, it breaks down into tiny particles that are too small to see. These particles spread evenly throughout the solvent, creating a uniform mixture. But solutions aren't always liquids. In the next section, we'll explore some surprising examples of solutions in different states of matter. Let's try a simple experiment to see a solution in action. You'll need a glass of water, a teaspoon of salt, and a spoon. Carefully pour the salt into the water. What do you observe? Now, stir the water with the spoon. What happens to the salt? As you stir, the salt seems to disappear, but it hasn't vanished. It has dissolved into the water, forming a saltwater solution. The water molecules have surrounded the salt molecules, breaking them apart and distributing them evenly throughout the solution. This experiment shows how a solid like salt can dissolve into a liquid like water to create a solution. But did you know that solutions can also be gases or even solids? Believe it or not, solutions aren't limited to liquids. The air we breathe is a perfect example of a gas solution. Nitrogen makes up the largest part, acting as the solvent, while oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases are dissolved within it. Even solids can form solutions. Brass, for example, is a solid solution made by combining copper and zinc. The copper acts as the solvent, with the zinc dissolving into it to create a strong and durable metal. Solutions are all around us, from the oceans to the air we breathe. Understanding solutions helps us understand the world around us. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and never stop asking questions.